Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tuxedo Sam. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top of the head. Let's start on the top right here, and let's draw a curve over, and then bring it down on the left. Now from that starting point, let's leave a gap and let's draw the same curve down on the right. Next, let's hop inside in the middle and draw the beak. Let's start with 2 angles down. Now from the ends, let's curve it back in towards the center, forming a diamond shape. And let's leave a gap in the middle. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. Let's draw an oval on the top left here, and the same on the right. And now let's color these both in black. Next, underneath each eye, let's add 2 small diagonal lines. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop out and draw the arms. From the sides, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve out and then back in at the bottom. And the same thing on the right. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down and then bring it in, and the same thing on the right side. Next, in the center, let's draw a curve out on both sides, leaving a gap. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move in and draw the details. Let's start next to the left side of the beak and let's draw a curve all the way down to the bottom. And the same on the right side. Next, inside, let's add the bow. Under the beak in the center, let's draw 2 curved lines up and out. Then for the ends, let's curve it down, and then bring it back in towards the center. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's hop down and add the feet. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a curve down and in. And the same on the right side. Now let's hop inside towards the middle and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a wavy line. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's move up and add the hat. Let's start on the top right of the head and let's draw a small line up. And then another line out from the right side here. Now for the top line, let's draw a small curve down. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve all the way down to the bottom line. Now let's move inside and start from the bottom and let's draw a curve up, and we're going to stop here right before the end. Now for the top part of the hat, let's draw a curve on the top here, Then leave a gap and let's continue it down. Now from the bottom right side, let's draw a point out, and then another one underneath. And that's it for Tuxedo Sam. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!